$120 a year after taxes, rent, car, insurance, loans, groceries, and everything that auto debits before you even open your phone. $1,500. That is the breathing room. I ran the numbers, actual numbers, and I want to show you where it all goes in about 90 seconds flat. Direct deposit hits $7,300 take home. Sounds solid. Then the month starts. Rent takes $1,800. That is not Manhattan. That is a two-bedroom in Austin that smells a little like the last tenant's dog. Car payment, $767, the national average for a new vehicle per Experian's latest data. Health insurance, $500 a month for a plan that does not actually cover anything until you have burned through $4,000 out of pocket. Student loans, $400 groceries for a family, $680. The average American household now drops $170 a week at the grocery store. That is up over 30% in 5 years. Before I keep going, this is not financial advice. I am not a licensed advisor. These are real numbers from the Fed, the BLS, and Experian, and what you do with them is your call. We are already at 4147 out of 7,300, and we are not even halfway through the list. Now add what nobody budgets for, subscriptions. Most people think they spend about $86 a month. The actual average when researchers checked the bank statements, $219. How close is this to your own budget? Some of you already know. Social life, dinners, birthdays, the weekend thing you could not say no to, $250 a month per an Ally Bank survey. Gas, electric, phone, internet, $500. Run that number again. 7,300 minus 4147 minus 950 in subs, social, and utilities. That leaves about 2,200. Then the stuff you cannot predict but always shows up. The copay, the new tires, the Target run that was supposed to be $20. Somewhere between $400 and $600 a month. You land at $1,500. Maybe $16 on a good month. No emergency fund, no investing, no vacation. Just the basics. Here is the part that changes the picture. Not a single dollar was wasted. No clubs, no crypto, no designer, anything. Every line was rent, food, insurance, transportation, paying back a loan. The basics, done responsibly. Every dollar went somewhere reasonable. That is the problem. What is your version of this number? Higher, lower? This person earns more than roughly 60% of American households. And they have the financial flexibility of someone who, on paper, should not be cutting it this close. So if you make decent money and the account still feels tight by the 28th of every month, you are not bad with money. The math is just quiet enough that most people never stack it all in one place. Until you do, and then you stare at it. But the number you should probably know tonight is your own version of 1,500. Open the app, add it up, whatever that number is, that is where your math starts. This is not financial advice. Talk to a licensed professional about your own situation.